Hi, I'm Joan, but my good friends call me the Crêpe Queen. And the reason for that is because I own the Crêpe Cakery, where I make wedding cakes out of crepes. Now I know that sounds like a wild and crazy career, but let me tell you the story behind it. About 4 years ago, my daughter-in-law Christy called me and she said, Joan, Paul and I hate cake. We especially hate frosting. And we'd be honored if you'd be willing to make our wedding cake for our Malibu wedding. I was in shock for a couple of minutes thinking about how I could possibly do that, but after giving it a few minutes of thought, I decided, let's go for it. Love a challenge. And the adventure began. I made 6 tiers of cake, froze them tightly, flew them to LAX, drove them up to Malibu, put them back in the freezer, and then the day of the wedding, brought them to room temp, decorated the cake, and that night at the wedding, not only was the cake beautiful, but it was over the top delicious. After the wedding, I started getting phone calls and requests for cakes, for weddings, for 21st birthdays, for anniversaries. And it just began to roll, took on a life all its own. And now here it is, 4 years later, and I'm still loving every minute of every cake that I design. However, my first love is teaching, and I want to go back to that with you. I'd like to share with you how to form, fold, and flip the most amazing golden crepes of your life. I'll teach you fillings, both savory and sweet, European desserts, as well as edible party favors, because you know what? Crepe cakes love company. So I hope you'll subscribe to my cooking channel and join me every Tuesday and every Friday as we share the delights of crepe making. Thanks, and I'll see you in the kitchen.